Hey guys, today I will be showing you a cheat code to box braids, and this is an easy way to grip if you don't know how to grip. So basically you want to make sure you start on stretch hair, of course, and I'm going to plait down one section of hair. So in the back I actually just separated out a row, and I actually work in rows. If you want to see, oh, here's the braid pattern. I was about to say, if you want to see it, ask me, but here it is. I forgot. Okay, so here's the braid pattern in the back. I have how many rows? 5 rows in the back, and it looks like I have 5 rows on that other side and 4 rows on this side. So now I'm getting out this pre-stretched braiding hair, and I'll link the exact braiding hair that I use down below in the description. And I also use a thread rack. Oh, almost got it wrong. A thread rack from Walmart. This is on Amazon also, just to separate out my hair, and it makes it quicker to braid your hair. So now you're gonna need a latch hook for this method. So what you want to do is crochet in the smaller piece of hair, because when you do box braids you use 2 pieces of hair. So you want to crochet in the smaller piece, and then you want to layer on top a larger, thicker piece of braiding hair. And all I did was put that on top of the base of the braid, and then I started to braid down. So what's going to happen is, here is your individual braid that you plaited up, you took your time to plait up, is going to be inside of this braid, and you're going to braid down. It's not going to pop out. If it does pop out, use some edge control or edge wax on your ends so that they don't come out. So this is how it's looking up front, and it looks like I gripped my hair really well at the roots, but I didn't. I just crocheted them in, and it looks nice and neat and tight, and it's easy to do. It's very easy for beginners. So here again, I'm showing you another angle. I crocheted in the smaller part, and I put the larger part on top, and now I'm going to braid as tight as I can. Well, you don't really need to braid tight, but you want to braid tight so your braids don't come out. That's what most people do. And you just want to braid down again towards your ends. You want to use some edge wax if you need it, or some edge control to make sure it's still in. So this is my finished result. My scalp looks really great. It looks tight. It looks like I gripped my braids really tight at the root. So this is a great way for you guys to do your box braids. And now it's a week later, and this is how they're looking. So I'm just showing you, I just care for my scalp by applying hair butter when my scalp gets dry, so that my scalp and my real hair doesn't dry out and get unhealthy. So this is how I keep my box braids healthy. But that's it. So thumbs up this video, check out more videos on my channel, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.